Welcome to one of my videos. This is my chicken coop inside. It's a bit wet outside, so some of the chickens have come inside and I've given them a bit of feed. They're looking a bit wet and sorry for themselves. I have some flashing lights that come on in the daytime, powered by solar panels. There's some lights down there, just normal white lights, LED string lights. They're controlled by a sensor which senses movement, so they're not on all the time. They go off at night, and then at night time we have some lights that come on which are actually grow lights, red and with some blue, about every 4 red LEDs that come on at night. And then we've got some a pack of capacitors which go up to 16 volts, which power these LED lights that come on, which when the power goes off they stay on for a while longer and just slowly go dim, so the chickens have time to get back up onto their roosts and go to sleep at night. It's about autumn time here in the UK at the moment, and the chickens have a bit longer, about 3 hours in getting them at the moment of light, so they can hopefully lay some more eggs. And that's my chicken coop inside. I'll talk more about it at another time.